are more ways than ever to make money online today, and I'm going to share with you some of the ways that I make money online and others that I know do as well while they travel. A lot of people call this digital nomading, which is what I do, but these are also income streams that you can just pick up when you're home to earn extra money online. I want to preface this video by letting you know that while you can make a substantial amount of money from all of these income streams, a lot of them will take time and dedication and effort on the front end to get over that learning curve so you can start making money. But like with everything, it's about building a really strong foundation over the years to create sustainable income, not about a quick fix. Even though some of these you may get lucky and have a quick fix and you can make an incredible amount of money. I know people making like inconceivable amounts of money from these income streams. And that could be you if you start today. And I also want to let you know that yes, I do have a job that is fully remote. That is a way that I make money online, but that is not the only way that I make money online. And I want to let you know that even if you have a full-time job, you can do these things and add them in as well. The first one is content creation. I am a content creator. I make videos like this. I make TikToks, Instagram videos. A lot of my friends are content creators. And not only that, I work in the creator economy. A lot of people are unaware, but there is a whole industry behind social media, and not only are content creators getting paid to work in this industry, but there are also a ton of people behind the scenes, and I am one of those people now with my full-time job at LTK. I am behind the scenes, but I'm getting paid to work in this industry in a different way. But as a freelancer, as a content creator, or just as someone who wants to add an extra income stream to their life, there are so many ways that you can monetize this industry on your own. Of course, for me and people with followings, or if you have a following, you can monetize your following. It's actually crazy to me how many content creators I know who don't know how to properly monetize their following, or they're underpaying or underselling themselves. There's so many ways that you can earn money through your following or your audience, posting on platforms. Of course, there's brand deals. Negotiating brand deals is a skill that I have kind of gained a lot of experience in over the years, but negotiating is super important. Pitching yourself, all these things to get those flat rate brand deals are so key. But there's also a lot of other ways to earn money in content creation that don't involve you posting. So if you don't have a following, don't worry, there are ways that you can earn an income. There is UGC, user generated content. This is content that other companies will use to run as ads on their platforms. You don't really have to post it, but they may use it for theirs or put ad spend behind it to help sell their products. And you can find a lot of these gigs through different platforms. Brands Meets Creators is a favorite of mine, Creator IQ, Aspire, etc. There's a lot of them. And you can even reach out directly to brands and let them know, hey, I'm a content creator and I want to make content for you. Show them your portfolio. Create pieces of content to use in your portfolio. I can make a whole separate video on this, and I actually have other videos that dive deeper into this side of content creation as well, so check them out. There's so many avenues you can go down with UGC, and that doesn't involve you putting your face out there or making your own content that you share on your platforms, which is really nice as well. But of course, brand deals will be the highest paying. UGC is also really great. You can also make money through affiliates. I'm an affiliate with quite a few companies that I work with and partner with. Sometimes I do brand deals with them and then they give me an affiliate link, or sometimes it's just an affiliate link. And you don't even have to talk directly to these brands or companies to be an affiliate. Like, you can usually sign up, or even if you are just a user of an application or a product, there is a way to become an affiliate. For example, I use Robinhood. I use it as a brokerage account. I use it as my high yield savings account, and I can just go into the app and get my affiliate link, and if people use it, I make $10 and maybe they make $10 or something like that. So there's so many other ways you can make affiliate links, and then you can just share them with your friends, share them with your audience, and make residual income from that. Of course, now on TikTok Shop, you can sell items, and you can also be an affiliate for so many items. All you have to do is order the item and then start making TikToks about it and share why you love it and what it's done for you and that people should buy it. And when they buy it using your link, you can make affiliate commission from that really easily. And there's no barrier to entry basically. So that's another really great way to earn affiliate income. Going off of all of that, if you want to work on the back end of social media, you can be a social media manager, a social media content creator for different brands. And this is really great because you can get clients and sign them on and get bigger, more stable paychecks every month. This can be done remotely. All you have to do is monitor and create content for their platforms or whatever their scope of work is. And you set your rates, you share what work you've done already. And this is a really good way to build clients and rapport in this industry because then you can get word of mouth referrals. Some other avenues you can go down are UX, user experience. You can take boot camps to learn how to do this. A really great platform that I actually use is Skillshare because they have so many videos and courses that you can take to learn about social media management, branding, marketing, all of these things and all these skills that you can acquire and then use in your own business as a freelancer or contract worker. And you can kind of say that you're certified in these things if you take the courses and let them know what you've taken, or you can get actually certified. Pinterest has really great courses as well. YouTube has courses, Google has courses. There's so many free online resources to learn these things. It's just about going after them and then, really using what you have at hand. And then to market yourself as a freelancer, you can do this on LinkedIn, Fiverr, Upwork. You can post your portfolios, like I said, and then you can of course do outreach by reaching out to brands or clients, potential clients that you would love to work with, and let them know what you can provide for them. And once you have 1 or 2 clients, it'll be easier to get more. The first couple are the hardest, but it is worth it in the end. The second way you can make money online, which is honestly really low barrier to entry and a really great way to make quite a bit of money with lower effort on the front end, is high ticket sales, because you're not having to build your business out. You are actually just selling someone else's business and being the middleman. Sales, of course, is a skill that not everyone has, but it's a skill that you can learn if you have the right attitude and the right commitment to it. There are so many sales jobs that you can get. A lot of these are fully remote and a lot of them are high ticket, but some of them are even more stable and commission based. So the harder you work, the more that you earn. I have some friends who have companies that literally hire their whole sales teams completely remote, and you can easily find these jobs on Indeed and LinkedIn. The third way you can earn money online is referral commission. If you are a super connector, if you have a really good network, people are constantly doing business with other people, and if you can connect the dots between people, you can get paid off of that. All you have to do is create a nice template for a contract, like a referral contract. And if you are going to be connecting to people who might do business, share that contract with them, have them sign it, and you can earn whatever percentage you ask for from that deal. It can be a one-time thing, or it can even be reoccurring if they are signing them on as a monthly contractor or whatnot. But this is a really great way to earn passive income, build your network, and make use of the network that you already have. The fourth way to earn money while you are solo traveling is to learn a skill that you can take with you. A lot of people don't think about this, but I personally am a yoga instructor. I don't teach right now, but that is a skill that I have. I did my full 200 hours of yoga teacher training. So if I travel, I can teach yoga classes if I need to, if I want to, and get paid for it. Also, if you are a hairdresser or if you have other skills that you need to do in person, you can always take those skills with you and find work if you must, or if that is what you want to do. If you want to meet people and build a community or get integrated into the place that you're in, this is a really great way to do so and make money from it. And the fifth way to make money online, and this way is growing like crazy, and yes, a lot of people think that it's too saturated already and maybe you missed the wave, but honestly, I don't think you have. But it's e-commerce. There's so many different avenues you can go down with e-commerce. You can build your own brand, launch it on Shopify, and do all these things. You can do print on demand. My friend Michaela makes incredible tutorial videos on print on demand and e-com. Definitely check out her channel. It's Money with Mac. But with print on demand, you don't have to hold any inventory. You are literally making designs for different products, whether it's like a sweater or mugs or planners, whatever it is. And then people are buying them, and Printify or whatever company is printing the product sends it directly to them. So you're making the money, you're not having to do any of the work. So definitely check out print on demand. Of course, there's Amazon FBA. That's a little bit more of a barrier to entry. You guys may know that I dabbled in Amazon FBA a few years ago and ended up not going forward with it just because I didn't have enough to invest on the front end, and I did have a little bit of obstacles because of COVID and everything. So it didn't work out for me, but not to say that it hasn't worked out for a lot of people I know. I know people making millions. My close friends are making millions every year from Amazon FBA. So don't completely push that to the side because I think there is still potential there. And of course, there are so many courses on e-com. There's so many ways to get into it. But like I said at the beginning of the video, it does take time and effort and energy and dedication to make anything work. Nothing is going to work overnight unless you're super lucky. Same with content creation, building an audience and all of this stuff. You can go viral and build an audience quite quickly. But to build a really strong foundation, it takes time and energy. And I think it's worth it. It is worth it to put in the work to build these income streams because they grow exponentially. Your growth is exponential as well. And setting yourself up and setting up these passive streams of income are really great if you're solo traveling because you can have money coming in from different ways that is more stable. And the last thing, of course, that I want to cover is remote work. There are so many companies that are fully remote now and they have a remote first culture. The company I work for, LTK, is fully remote. So we are all over the place and it is really great because I can work from anywhere. I work while I travel and I have a newsletter that goes out every single week. You can sign up for it. I share remote job openings for really high quality jobs or companies that I would personally love to work for. LTK is always included in there. If you do apply to LTK, use the link in the description and the newsletter because you can add me as a referral and that will help with your application. But I highly recommend applying for remote jobs or trying to find them. LinkedIn is a great place to find them, Indeed as well. And another way to make money online that I forgot to mention with the social media part is LTK. If you are a content creator, apply to LTK. Let me know and I can even send you the application referral for creators because you will earn $25 from getting the referral from that. But sharing your outfit, sharing what you use, you can make commission off of all of that when you share it with your audience rather than just sharing it to share and having your audience go purchase it on their own. If they used your link, you make some money. So there's a win-win situation going on. So there's a lot of other ways like that. But if you want me to make more videos like this and dive deeper into any of these parts, let me know. I can definitely do that. But like I said, these are some of the ways that you can make over 5K a month from just different income streams without having a full-time job while you are solo traveling so you can digital nomad. Let me know what you've tried out of these or if you're going to try any of them. I'm really interested to see. And if you have any questions, leave them below. And of course, I have a course on how to become a digital nomad. It's called Girl Boss Abroad, and it'll be linked down below with all the information as well. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.